Good morning. Welcome back to iTeach. Today's video is on ordering fractions with like denominators. Denominators are the bottom numbers of your fractions. So we are focusing on fractions that have the same bottom number. When we are ordering numbers or amounts, we go in ascending order or in descending order. Ascending order is going from small to big, or sometimes we see the term least to greatest. Descending order is where we go from big to small, or a familiar term, greatest to least. Let us look at our first set of fractions. Arrange these fractions in order from least to greatest. Our four fractions are 4 over 8, 1 over 8, 2 over 8, and 7 over 8. When your fractions have the same denominators, 8, 8, 8, and 8, we look at the numerators. So let's circle our numerators. 4, 1, 2, and 7. When we are done circling these fraction tops, we can now look to determine which is smaller and which is bigger. Least to greatest means that we are going to go from the smallest amount to the biggest amount. Out of 4, 1, 2, and 7, which is smaller? Which is the least amount? The correct answer is 1. So the first fraction we will write is 1 over 8. And I'm going to put a little X on top because we've already used that. Now we have 4, 2, and 7 left. Which is the least amount now? 2. So the second fraction is 2 over 8. Now we have 4 and we have 7. Which is the least amount now? 4. So 4 over 8 would be our next fraction. And our last fraction, the biggest out of all of the fractions, is 7 over 8. Pretty easy, huh? Let's look at the next fraction. We are going to put 5 over 10, 4 over 10, 8 over 10, and 6 over 10 in order from greatest to least. First, we did least to greatest, which means from small to big. But now we're going to do greatest to least, which means big to small. All of our fraction denominators are 10. So we have to circle our numerators. Our numerator here is 5. Here is 4. Here is 8. Here is 6. We are looking for the biggest fraction first. Which number is the most? 8. So we will write the fraction 8 over 10. What's the biggest fraction now? 5 over 10, 4 over 10, or 6 over 10? You are correct, 6 over 10. What's the biggest fraction now? 5 over 10 or 4 over 10? You are once again correct, 5 over 10, which means our smallest amount is 4 over 10. Pretty easy, huh? Always remember when the denominators are the same, you're looking at the numerators to determine the order. Ascending order is from small to big or least to greatest. Descending order is big to small or greatest to least. Thank you for watching and look out for one more video on ordering fractions. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more upcoming videos.